Hey guys, so the third step here in this automation is about out of office. So if it is out of office, we need to update records, add notes, and add it to do not contact list. So the webhook is already set up here, and we did put this webhook in Smartlead for the lead category updated. So if the lead category is updated to do not contact list, so this will get triggered, and then we have a filter to check, like if the lead category is out of office, we will create or update a person in Attio. So if it is already there, it will check based on the email. If it is already there, it will just update the name, and if it is not, it will create by name and email. And then we are creating the notes in this tab, and we are also creating the task. So it is pretty simple. Use this for your business, and watch my next video that is actually for the wrong person. And in another video we will be also checking if the contact info is not given. So keep watching, see you in next video.